Hello, this is Katz from Usagi Project. We are a Japanese language team of concrete5. I noticed many people are using Adobe Dreamweaver to design concrete5 original theme. And Dreamweaver has a very useful function called Snippets. Snippets is the collection of text codes, including HTML, CSS, and PHP. You click, and the designated code will be pasted onto your working document. I saw many other CMS create their own Dreamweaver extensions. So I put together the set of useful PHP, HTML, and CSS codes that you may need it when creating your original concrete5 theme. This is a free Dreamweaver extension package. First, the installation. I've created the page at concrete5-japan.org/Dreamweaver/en, or just search concrete5 Dreamweaver extension on Google. You should see the download icon on the right. Click it, download the file from our SourceForge Japan site. Once you download it, you should see the zipped file. Unzip it. This zip file contains two files. The file which ends with .mxp is the Dreamweaver extension package. Of course, you need to install Dreamweaver on your computer, but double-click it, and Adobe Extension Manager should start, and try to install this package. Click Agree, and concrete5 extension should be installed onto your Dreamweaver. And then start Dreamweaver. You may need to restart Dreamweaver if you kept it open during the installation. Go to Window on the top menu and select Snippets. The Snippets window should appear. You should see concrete5 folder. I categorize the folder by usage. First, default. This is the simple copy and paste of concrete5 original default theme, plain yogurt. Just use it for your own educational purpose. Second, step by step. This contains the total 9 steps to convert your HTML code onto concrete5 theme. You follow the step, and here you go. Your HTML become concrete5 theme. Third, header. It has the set of codes that you should use in head tag. First, area. It has a set of codes that you need to define your area. Next is footer. I just put together the useful codes that you may want to use at the bottom of the page. Just like regular copyright stuff. And it comes to CSS. In concrete5, you must make typography.css because TinyMCE of content block uses this typography.css. You should define any typography related CSS elements in typography.css. I just included the minimum requirement of concrete5 in here. Main.css. Main.css can be renamed for something else, but it should contain all other CSS elements besides typography.css. And blocks. If you want to customize the look of each concrete5 default blocks, here you go. You should include the CSS properties in main.css. Next, include file. For example, if you want to share certain elements throughout the theme and page types, for example, header area of the page, you may want to create another file and use this include code so that you can avoid maintaining many files. Then paths. If you're working on a fixed domain, you won't really need them. But if you're planning to move around the domain, or change the location of concrete5 site on the server, these would be useful. They will print out the relative path according to where concrete5 site was installed. Next, special tag. I explain one of it later. The last, the dates. If you insert the following codes, it will display these kind of date and or time format at the time when the site visitor visited your concrete5 sites. So let me show you a really quick demo. This is my concrete5 site that I made for a Japanese wheelchair athlete, Terio Tanaka. She has won several Paralympic medals, but anyway, I made the design mockup by using Photoshop and break it down to HTML and CSS codes. This is it. And then, for example, I want to create a header area where the large photo is. So I go to the HTML code of where the large photo is. This is it. And I go to Snippets window, select area, and double click the header area. Then this 3-line of PHP code will be inserted. This part now becomes the header area of concrete5. Next, this is the blank page of our site. You can see how header nav area and header area overlaps each other, and it's hard to click. So go back to theme file where the area is. This is the header nav area. I wrap the code with div tag, which had CSS definition to become a menu. So I select the entire area of header nav, including the div tag, go to snippets, special tag, and double click blank space for edit mode. Then, before and after the selection, these tags were inserted. You can see that if this page becomes the edit mode, this code will be printed, which has 80 minimum pixel height. I upload the code and refresh the page. There you go. When the page only in edit mode, the area will be expanded to 80 pixel minimum height. And you can clearly see the add to header nav link now. At last, an installation. Close Dreamweaver, go back to Adobe Extension Manager, select concrete5 theme snippets. Then click Remove button. Now, this extension was removed from your computer. That's it. I hope this Dreamweaver extension makes your concrete5 theme creation easier. And if you like this, we Usagi Project don't need money. Just help promote concrete5 or join concrete5 community and help each other users. Thank you for watching. This is Katz from Usagi Project.